Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can transfer money from RIA to bank account. So if you're interested, let's jump right in. To transfer money from your RIA account to a bank account, start by logging into your RIA account through the official website or mobile app. Once you're in, click on Send Money and select the country where the recipient's bank account is located. Enter the amount you want to send and choose Bank Deposit as the delivery method. You'll then need to provide the recipient's full name exactly as it appears on their bank account, along with the bank name, account number, and if required, the SWIFT or BIC code. After that, select how you'd like to pay for the transfer. RIA typically allows payment via bank account, debit card, or credit card. Before submitting, make sure to carefully review all the entered information to avoid any errors. Once everything looks good, confirm and submit the transaction. RIA will process the transfer and deposit the funds directly into the recipient's bank account. The processing time may vary depending on your payment method and the destination country. And that's it, you are done.